Welcome to TransStar Tech Tips. This video provides tips on using TransStar's 2-in-1 primer, color match base coat, and clear coat. In this video, we'll demonstrate aerosol application and provide tips on using aerosol paint for repair on a vehicle. Remember to always wear appropriate safety gear when performing any repairs. Wipe down the entire panel you are repairing with Aquascat 2 wax and grease remover. Wipe the panel with a towel, then re-wipe the panel with a dry towel. Access the area in need of repair, pre-tape any adjacent panels and trim. Sanding imperfections. Use 240 grit sandpaper and a foam sanding block to sand out the imperfections. If you find that not all imperfections will sand out, fill them with body filler. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the filler to harden, then sand with 220 grit sandpaper. A heat gun can speed up the hardening of the filler. This process may need to be repeated a couple of times. Follow up with your gray scuff pad and or 800 grit sandpaper and sand with firm pressure and scuff the entire panel. Re-clean the panel. Wipe down the entire panel after sanding with Aquascat 2 wax and grease remover. Wipe the panel with a towel, then re-wipe the panel with a dry towel. Pre-tape any adjacent panels and trim with masking paper. Wipe the panel with a towel, then re-wipe the panel with a dry towel. Apply primer. Shake your primer can for about 60 seconds until the mixing ball is moving freely in the can. Apply multiple light coats of primer. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. Once the final coat of primer is dry, approximately 20 minutes, then wet sand with 400 grit sandpaper. Re-clean the panel. Wipe down the entire panel after sanding with Aquascat 2 wax and grease remover. Wipe the panel with a towel, then re-wipe with the panel with a dry towel. Using a tack cloth, wipe down the entire panel, removing any dust or fibers from the towel. Pre-tape any adjacent panels and trim with masking paper. Apply base coat paint. Shake your base coat can for at least 60 seconds or until the mixing ball is moving freely in the can. Apply multiple light coats of paint from about 8 to 10 inches away until the repair is covered. Check your spray pattern against the masking paper to ensure optimal application. If you find any flaws, wait 10 minutes and lightly sand out the flaws with 600 grit sandpaper and reapply the base coat. If you have a metallic base coat and notice stripes or mottling, follow up with some vertical passes and blend out the repair area. Apply clear coat paint. Wait at least 15 minutes after applying base coat. Apply multiple light coats of clear coat, overlapping each pass by at least 50%. Apply 2 to 3 coats of clear, waiting at least 5 minutes between coats. Note, if you create a run or other major flaw in your clear coat, simply wait 1 hour, then sand out the flaw with 600 grit sandpaper, then reapply clear coat. Wait 15 to 20 minutes after application, then you can safely remove your tape and paper.